Hello there! In this lesson, we will be reviewing how to use metadata to create branch membership rules. Our objectives today are to help you understand how branch membership rules work and how to create them. Let's get started. To begin, log into ThinkingCAP with full admin privileges. Once logged in, expand the hamburger menu in the top left and expand Security. And then click Membership. The Child Branches Membership Rules tab opens first. Here you see the following options. Remove users from this branch when the branch membership rules no longer match the user. When enabled, users no longer matching the branch membership rules established in the parent branch will be removed from the current branch. Allow branch users' membership to be extended to other branches. Enabling this allows administrators to bring users into your branch from other branches using the Add Multiple Users function. The tab also lists existing membership rules on the current branch. This details the rule criteria the branch applies to and if the rule is active. There are also options to remove and to evaluate the rule. Note that branch membership rules cannot be edited, only deleted. Next to the rule name, you will see the number of users matching the rule. Clicking Reevaluate will update this number. The Evaluate button will show the current user count in a new modal window. To add a new rule, click Add Membership Rule. Here, you will enter your new rule's name and description. You will then select the sub-branch you wish to have users added. To add a metadata field to the rule, click on the checkbox to the left of the field name, then choose the desired value. Click Add Rule to save the new rule. By default, new rules are inactive. You can activate the rule and then click on Apply. And the rule will run at 12 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Click on Parent Branches Membership Rules. This tab lists the rules on parent branches that extend users' membership into this branch. And that's how you use metadata to add and remove users from branches in ThinkingCAP. Thanks for watching.